keep
He's
getting
traveling
reviewed
like
because
this.
they have a 3rd and 10 then if you're Tennessee instead of a 3rd and 8. They should have had to come from up top, and they decided that should have conclusively in their minds that it was a fumble that had come out before the hand moved forward.
And it might have been. I think there's probably a good case for it, but yeah, you're right. And they're always going to err on the side of the fumble, right? In case someone picks it up and goes and scores on the other team.
There's Dobbins. And he's got one.
There's a penalty, and you can tell they're trying to be safe and smart in the first play to get yards.
Jayon Brown.
How'd you get so cute? Did you wake up this cute? Did you wake up this cute? How'd you get so cute? Oh, Cuddles. Oh, Cuddles.
Whoa. In serious pain.
You're the cutest.
Oh,
you're the cutest.
To the sideline.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I know some dogs you should meet.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a penalty on Powers right there, clipping.
I know this dog Blue that you would really like.
Oh, left elbow right there.
Oh.
There's a toss to Dobbins. Final minute of the first half, he stays inbounds.
By the way, I talked earlier about the fumble on the side, Jim.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't the Franco Harris. That was the immaculate reception. Not conception.
Immaculate, yeah, okay.
But it was the Holy Roller, the Raiders.
Yeah, against the Chargers.
Yeah, 78.
At San Diego.
You are so cute.
I called that one. This is amazing. I just want to say thanks, Jim, for your 40 years.
You see yourself? Do you see yourself, Cuddles? Are you shy?
Evenly matched teams at this point, it looks like.
Tannehill checking out a few plays from that last series when Ngakoue created some chaos to end the drive.